Is one of your AirPods Pro 3 sounding louder than the other? You're not alone. First, check your audio balance settings. On your iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, Accessibility, Audio Visual, and adjust the left-right balance slider to the center. If the problem persists, it's likely due to a dirty mesh grill. This grill protects the speaker, but can trap earwax and debris, causing reduced volume. Gently clean the grill with a soft, dry brush or a microfiber cloth. Avoid using sharp objects or liquids, as these can damage the delicate components. Cleaning regularly can prevent future imbalances. If cleaning doesn't solve the audio imbalance, try resetting your AirPods Pro 3. Place both earbuds in the charging case, close the lid, and wait 30 seconds. Then open the lid and on your iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, Bluetooth. Find your AirPods Pro 3 in the list of devices, tap the eye icon next to them, and select Forget this device. With the case lid open, press and hold the Setup button on the back of the case until the status light flashes amber, then white. Your AirPods Pro 3 are now reset. Reconnect them to your device by opening the case near your iPhone or iPad and following the on-screen instructions. This recalibrates the sensors and resets audio profiles, resolving many software-related imbalance issues. If problems continue, consider contacting Apple support, especially if your AirPods Pro 3 were manufactured before Q2 2024, as they may be eligible for a free replacement due to potential moisture-induced corrosion.